Imagine this. You're bathed in the warm glow of the setting sun, feeling its gentle warmth on your skin. A gentle breeze carries the sweet scent of jasmine, filling the air with its delicate fragrance. You feel calm, at peace, as if the world has paused just for you. This is the feeling we all crave, a sense of deep contentment within ourselves and our relationships, a moment of pure connection. Life can be a whirlwind with its constant demands and pressures. It's easy to get caught up in negativity, both within ourselves and in our interactions with others, leading to stress and conflict. But what if there was a way to shift this energy, to bring more positivity into your life? What if you had the power to transform your relationships, starting with your own thoughts? You do. You have that power within you. Welcome to the world of autosuggestion, a technique that can change your mindset. It's a powerful tool for creating positive change, for reshaping your reality. It can help you cultivate loving, supportive relationships and bring harmony into your life. Let's embark on this journey of self-discovery together, hand in hand. You'll be amazed at the transformative power that lies within you, waiting to be unleashed. Autosuggestion. It sounds complicated, but it's a simple concept. It's the power of suggestion. But here's the twist. The suggestion comes from you. It's about consciously choosing the thoughts you plant in your mind. Think of it as positive self-talk. Émile Coué, a renowned French pharmacist and psychologist, championed autosuggestion. He believed in the power of the subconscious mind. He taught that by repeating positive affirmations, we can influence our thoughts, beliefs, and ultimately our reality. Coué's famous phrase, "Every day, in every way, I am getting better and better," perfectly encapsulates this principle. It's about feeding your mind with positive, empowering thoughts. These thoughts become your reality. Our thoughts are powerful. They shape our emotions and actions, influencing how we perceive the world around us. And our emotions and actions directly impact our relationships, creating either harmony or discord. Negative self-talk can create a vicious cycle, trapping us in a loop of self-doubt and negativity. Imagine this. You constantly tell yourself, "I'm not good enough." This belief seeps into your interactions with others, making you feel disconnected. You might become withdrawn or overly critical, pushing people away. You may even sabotage loving relationships, feeling unworthy of affection. Now, imagine shifting the script. You start each day affirming, "I am worthy of love and happiness." This positive self-talk changes everything. You radiate confidence and joy. You attract healthy, supportive relationships filled with mutual respect. The way we view ourselves directly impacts how others perceive us and in turn, how we interact with the world. Autosuggestion allows us to consciously choose positive thoughts, reshaping our inner dialogue. This creates a ripple effect, transforming our relationships from the inside out, fostering deeper connections and understanding. Let's bring this to life with some real-life examples. These stories will illustrate how powerful autosuggestion can be in transforming lives. Sarah, plagued by past relationship failures, decided to try autosuggestion. She was determined to change her narrative and find happiness. She started each day affirming, "I am deserving of a loving, committed partner." This daily practice became a cornerstone of her routine. Slowly, she noticed a shift. Her mindset began to change, and she felt a newfound sense of hope and positivity. She felt more confident and open to love. her interactions with others became more genuine and fulfilling. She began attracting partners who mirrored these qualities. Her life started to align with her positive affirmations. John, struggling with work-related stress, often brought negativity home. His relationship with his wife was suffering. He realized his self-talk was affecting his relationship with his wife. This realization was a turning point for him. He began incorporating affirmations like, "I am calm, patient, and present in my relationships." The change was remarkable. His daily affirmations helped him stay grounded. He became more mindful and present at home, strengthening his bond with his wife. Their relationship improved significantly. These examples highlight the transformative power of autosuggestion. By changing their inner dialogue, both Sarah and John experienced profound changes. By consciously choosing positive thoughts and beliefs, we can create a positive impact on our relationships. The power of our mind is truly remarkable. Practical tools for positive change. Affirmations and visualizations. The beauty of autosuggestion lies in its simplicity and accessibility. Here are two powerful tools to get you started. Affirmations. Start your day by repeating positive affirmations. Look in the mirror and say, "I am worthy of love," or "I attract healthy relationships." The key is repetition and belief. Visualizations. Close your eyes and visualize yourself in the relationships you desire. Feel the joy, the love, the connection. Visualization helps imprint these positive images in your subconscious mind. Remember, consistency is key. Make these practices a part of your daily routine. Like watering a plant, consistent nurturing will help your relationships blossom. The science of suggestion. How our brains embrace beliefs. The power of autosuggestion is not just some mystical concept. It's rooted in neuroscience. Our brains are incredibly adaptable. This adaptability is known as neuroplasticity. Every thought we have creates neural pathways. The more we think a thought, the stronger these pathways become. When we engage in autosuggestion, we're essentially rewiring our brains for positivity. By repeatedly feeding our minds with positive affirmations, we strengthen neural pathways associated with those beliefs. This leads to lasting changes in our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. The science is clear. Autosuggestion is a powerful tool for reshaping our brains and creating positive change in our lives and relationships. A spiritual connection, tapping into a higher power. For some, autosuggestion extends beyond the realm of science. It connects to a higher power, a universal force. By aligning our thoughts with our deepest desires, we tap into the infinite wisdom that resides within us all. This spiritual aspect adds another layer to the practice of autosuggestion. It's about surrendering to something bigger than ourselves. It's about trusting that the universe will conspire to make our positive affirmations a reality. Whether you approach autosuggestion from a scientific or spiritual perspective, the underlying principle remains the same. It's about harnessing the power of our minds to create the relationships and the life we desire. Embrace the magic of autosuggestion. As we've explored, autosuggestion is a potent tool for transformation. It empowers us to cultivate loving, supportive relationships, starting with ourselves. Remember, the journey begins within. By changing our thoughts, we change our world. Embrace the magic of autosuggestion. Plant seeds of positivity in your mind and watch your relationships blossom. Believe in your inherent worthiness of love and happiness. The power to create the relationships of your dreams lies within you. Join the journey of self-discovery. I invite you to embark on this journey of self-discovery through autosuggestion. Share your experiences, your successes, your challenges. Let's create a community of support and encouragement. Subscribe to continue receiving valuable insights and guidance on your journey to creating fulfilling relationships. Together, let's unlock the transformative power of autosuggestion and create a world filled with love, joy, and meaningful connections.